This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Go.
This is now pretty much the last week of the year 2025. वक्त कितना जल्दी निकल गया और ये हर साल के अंत में हम बोलते ही हैं क्योंकि सचमुच वक्त निकलता जा रहा है और बहुत ही जल्द निकलता जा रहा है बिकॉज वी आर सो बिजी विथ सो मेनी थिंग्स टू डू. और हमारी ज़िंदगी में अब ट्रैवल भी आ गया है एक बड़े पैमाने पर. सो वी जस्ट डोंट हैव द टाइम, राइट? इट्स हेल्दी इन अ वे बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स यू स्टे रिफ्रेश्ड एंड रिजुविनेटेड. तो चलिए रिफ्रेश की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो देन लेट्स टॉक अबाउट समवन हु हैज़ न्यूली जॉइंड द MMT family. This is a show to welcome the person into the family from Jodhpur. It is Mohammadi Sabir, who is in the hotel supply department. Mohammadi, it is so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
थैंक यू सो मच एनी.
तो आपको 2 महीने हुए ज्वाइन करे, अब तक का सफर 2 महीने का कैसा रहा है MMT में?
बहुत अच्छा था. सो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा रिसर्च करके ये कंपनी ज्वाइन किया था एंड या इट वाज रियली रियली गुड.
क्या बात है. तो आगे चलते हम ज़रूर इमर्शन इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में भी बातें करेंगे और आपके खुद के ट्रैवल एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में जहां आप चाव से अपने फ्रेंड्स या अपनी फैमिली के साथ ट्रैवल करने निकल पड़ते हो, वो भी थोड़ी थोड़ी कहानियां हम ज़रूर बात करेंगे. बट टेल मी, इससे पहले आप कौन सी इंडस्ट्री में हुआ करती थी?
So I have worked in industries like fintech and real estate. So before MMT, I was working with PhonePe, which is a fintech company.
Correct.
And earlier to PhonePe, I was in real estate industry. I was working with Lodha in Mumbai.
क्या बात है. तो आप काफी जगह घूमी हैं पर फिर भी होम इज वेयर द हार्ट इज, है ना, विच इज जोधपुर.
True, very true.
और जोधपुर की खूबसूरती के बारे में भी आप जरूर बताइएगा.
Hello trippers, this is Deep Kalra.
We've reached the end of 2025 and it's hard to say where the 12 months have really flown by. It's been a very eventful year. Too much has happened in the world of travel and particularly in India. We first had the terrible and tragic Pahalgam shootings and then after that we had the horrible air crash for Air India in Ahmedabad. All of this shook up the world of travel in India as we know. However, your company has always bounced back, has always been there to take care of its customers first, especially during tough times, even if there are disruptions. Very recently, due to indigo or fog in northern India, I think your company has always been the first to take care of its customers and then has managed to bounce back at the back of very strong trust and confidence that we've built with our customers. I want to thank you all for all your hard work, your efforts, and your wonderful empathy that you have shown through the year. And I wish you and your families, your loved ones, a wonderful 2026. And I'm hoping that the next year is going to be fantastic for each one of you and for our wonderful company overall.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Go.
इट्स बधाई हो. बधाई देते हुए पूरा शो हम करते हैं हर सोमवार को टू एवरी न्यू मेंबर ऑफ द MMT फैमिली, वेलकमिंग देम इनटू द न्यू सिस्टम, न्यू प्रोसेसेस एंड द न्यू फन दैट दे आर गोइंग टू हैव हियर एट MMT. माय नेम इज एनी, दिस इज गो MMT रेडियो एंड विद मी इज मोहम्मदी साबिर. मोहम्मदी, मुझे बताओ, तो ट्रैवल करने का कीड़ा आप में भी है?
Yes. बहुत बड़ा.
तो आप निकल पड़ती हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ या अपने फैमिली के साथ?
Anytime, I mean, like whenever I'm getting the time, I am out.
Is it? और अब जो है हम प्ले करने जा रहे हैं एक बॉलीवुड क्विज. जीके और बॉलीवुड में आपने चूज किया है बॉलीवुड. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस?
Yes.
Okay, your first question is, in the film Neerja, who was the lead actress?
Sonal Kapoor.
Yes, Sonam Kapoor. Well done.
Sonam Kapoor. Yeah.
ये जो एक्शन पैक्ड स्पाई मूवी कमबैक था 2023 में शाहरुख खान का, उस फिल्म का नाम बताओ.
पठान.
ओके. बाजीराव मस्तानी के लीड एक्टर कौन थे?
रणवीर सिंह.
दैट इज करेक्ट. रणवीर सिंह जिस मूवी में रैपर के तौर पर आए थे और वो मूवी बहुत बड़ी हिट हो गई थी और हिप हॉप इंडस्ट्री उसके वजह से यहाँ पे इंडियन हिप हॉप इंडस्ट्री बिल्कुल खुल गया था. व्हाट मूवी इज दिस?
Gully Boy.
Yes, it is Gully Boy. Can you tell me the song Galla Gudiya, which is the movie this song is from?
Dil Dhadakne Do.
Very good. Which film features the song Chaiya Chaiya?
I know this.
Yeah, I know it's slightly older for your time, but iconic song of King Khan.
I guess it's from Dil Se.
That is correct. अच्छा, कौन से एक्टर ने इस फेमस डायलॉग को कहा था, मोगैम्बो खुश हुआ?
Amrish Puri.
That is correct. And one last question. Which actress is called the Dhak Dhak girl of Bollywood?
Madhuri Dixit.
That is correct.
This is Satish Mani.
This is Sunil Goyal.
This is Yuvraj.
Here's wishing everybody a very, very happy 2026 from Go MMT Radio.
Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Srivastav and I have joined the Hotel Supply Analytics team. So I recently got the chance to meet and talk to the RJ of Go MMT Radio, and it was such a wonderful experience, and she was so full of energy. She was very friendly and she spoke in a way that immediately made everyone feel comfortable. So we shared interesting stories about the work and travel, and I was really impressed by her passion, the confidence and the ability she has to keep the conversation so lively and so fun. So she made me play a game and a Bollywood quiz. So it was very inspiring to see someone so dedicated and enthusiastic about what they do. Thank you.
Good morning, make my trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Get set, go. Go MMT Radio. Get set, go. क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Get set, go.
On the show from the Hotel Supply Department, joining me today is Mohammadi Sabir, and she loves her job, she loves her time at MMT. अब होटल सप्लाई में जिस किस्म का काम आप करती हो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें.
So basically, we meet the hotel partners, we onboard them sometimes, and then we help them grow their business.
लवली. तो यहाँ पर जो है अलग अलग किस्म के आपको डील्स ड्रॉ करने पड़ेंगे और अलग अलग वेंडर से आप मिलते रहेंगे. ये आपको यहाँ से वहाँ जरूर ले जाएगा. कम्यूट काफी ज्यादा आपको शहरों में करना पड़ेगा. यू लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस?
Yeah, I am very excited about it.
अच्छा, ट्रैवल के बारे में कह रही थी कि आपको भी बड़ा चाव है ट्रैवल करने का. टेल मी द लास्ट प्लेस यू वेंट टू एंड हु डिड यू गो विद?
So I went to Dapoli, which is in Maharashtra.
Yeah.
And I went with my friends.
It is a beautiful coastal town.
Yeah, it's very beautiful, very clean beaches, and they
Correct.
provide you with the private beaches as well.
Well done. अब बताइए इमर्शन इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में. आपके एक्सपीरियंस में ये कैसा रहा और आपको किस तरीके से इसने तैयार किया है इन प्रोग्राम्स ने?
So when I talk about immersion, I got to learn a lot of things. I got to know about the different LOBs on MMT, and I got to meet the leadership. It was lovely. I mean, to meet Mr. Deep Kalra, Mr. Rajesh Magav, and all the other leadership. It was great. And I have learned a lot.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Get set, go.
You're listening to Go MMT Radio, and yes, it happens to be your favorite radio station. We bring you the best shows, different themes, different guests every single time, different voices. And this, of course, is a platform to put your voice out there and to grow MMT together to becoming a global brand very soon. With me is Mohammadi Sabir, Hotel Supply Department. Mohammadi, जोधपुर के बारे में कुछ खास हमें बताइए. ऐसी कुछ चीजें जो शायद कोई और नहीं जानता हो. एक दो चीजें एटलीस्ट.
I guess there is one place, I don't know who all are like non-vegetarian and vegetarians. It's like for the people who love non-vegetarian. So there is the shop on Nai Sadak. So there is this place called Nai Sadak in Jodhpur. And there is this place called Al Haq. And they serve the best butter chicken in the world.
ओह, बटर चिकन किसे पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन दिल्ली को छोड़ के तुम बोल रही हो जोधपुर में अल हक में सबसे अच्छा बटर चिकन मिलता है. ये मुझे लगता है
Right.
दिल्ली वाले खुश नहीं होने वाले सुनकर. इट्स गोइंग टू बी डिबेटेबल, बट आई लव द फैक्ट दैट यू ब्रॉट दिस अप बिकॉज दिस इज लाइक अ ग्लोबली रिनाउंड डिश. इंडिया जाना जाता है बटर चिकन के नाम से. सो दैट्स प्रीटी कूल.
Correct.
व्हाट अबाउट अदर
Yeah,
प्लेसेस?
even they serve even the better than Aslam chicken. If Delhi people are listening to me, they serve better than Aslam chicken.
जोधपुर के पैलेसेस जाने जाते हैं एज लग्जूरियस वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशंस. इसके अलावा कोई ऐसी जगह है जो हमने देखना चाहिए विच इज जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल?
So there is this rock garden near Mehrangarh. It's called Rao Jodha Park.
Okay.
And it's beautiful. I am not sure if many of the people know about it, but it's beautiful, beautiful place.
Oh, so this is a place everybody should have on their list when they're visiting Jodhpur, huh?
Yeah, Rao Jodha Park.
Rao Jodha Park. All right.
Hi, I'm Varshini from the Corporate Channel. Annie, it was an amazing experience to be part of your show. Your bright smile and electrifying voice truly lifts our energy and sets such a positive tone for the day. Here's to many more such beautiful conversations coming your way ahead. Cheers, Annie.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
The show is Badhai Ho, and I am congratulating Mohammadi Sabir to have joined MMT just 2 months ago, and she's having a thoroughly good time. Learning a lot of new things every day, Mohammadi?
Yeah, learning new things every day, like every day.
Good. अगला जो प्लान है कहीं जाने का, जैसे कि अब क्रिसमस का वीक है, ये क्रिसमस हॉलीडेज चल रही हैं, न्यू ईयर आ रहा है, क्या प्लान है?
No plans. I am working only.
ओह, तो न्यू ईयर की खूब खूब शुभकामनाएं आपके लिए. विशिंग एंड होपिंग दैट यू विल डू एब्सोल्युटली थ्रिलिंगली वेल. बट बिफोर वी क्लोज द शो, ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव द लास्ट गेम व्हिच इज कॉल्ड रॉन्ग आंसर्स ओनली. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस?
Yeah, I am. I am.
The rapid fire round.
My first question to you is, what is the earth shaped like?
Rectangle.
Okay. Where do we keep food to let it stay cold?
Sky. Asman.
Asman. Oh, okay. ठीक है. Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Lalu Prasad Yadav.
Okay. What is the opposite of day?
Pink.
Okay, good. What is the capital of Africa?
Delhi.
Who invented the light bulb?
Elon Musk.
Oh, not bad. Who is Batman's sidekick?
Deepika Padukone.
Oh, not bad. How do you make a sandwich, Mohammadi?
So you take a paratha, you put chutney on it, and that's a sandwich for you.
Okay, the last question. What do you see in a mirror?
Flowers.
Mohammadi, I hope you had a good time talking to me, and
I had a lovely time.
it gives us great pleasure. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you into the MMT family. So all the very best. May all your dreams here at work and even personally, especially those travel plans you are making for yourself, come true.
Thank you so much, and I wish you the same.
Thank you so much, and Happy New Year again.
Happy New Year to you too, and Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you.
Yay, yes, this is Mohammadi Sabir from Jodhpur Hotel Supply Department. Badhai Ho is the name of the show. This is GoMMT Radio. I will be catching you now in the new year. So yeah, happy 2026, everyone. Keep traveling, keep that smile going, and let's make something really big happen for ourselves in 2026. This is your host Annie signing off. Thank you.
Hello, Triple. This is Abhishek.
I am Ankit Khanna.
I am Deepak Vora.
I am Divakar Pari.
Here's wishing everybody a very happy 2026 from GoMMT Radio. To listen to your favorite GoMMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the GoMMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
GoMMT Radio.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO, and Redbus.